around in the field and I looked and there was 2 of them. Then I kind of looked over and there was another one. And then there's one right now walking through the woods right here.
Is there one right there? Should I take my camera out? Oh. Wait, that's a hen. Do I need to take my camera out? Test. Test. I turned it down. Wait. She's clucking. Should I go ahead and get my camera out? Let me go ahead and get my Zoom camera out so we can get her on Zoom here.
I don't know if I need to walk past her or just set up right here, but the setup's not like real good right here.
So we got a hen right in front of us.
We could go off.
Try to draw them in there.
Well,
go around. Just take our time, bro.
I think there's a tom up here somewhere.
Okay. Chase thinks he sees a tom. Sir, yeah, go ahead.
Oh, just heard it.
What? It's on the other.
Oh, that's geese.
Get you every
So
time.
we're headed back towards where we came from. When we got in this morning, there was tons of turkeys just gobbling across the river, probably 4 or 5. And then I thought I heard one on our side, but where I was trying to set up, we ran into another guy that is hunting the private. He owns one of the fields on the private side. So we backed up a little bit, probably about 100, 150 yards off of him, and tried to call a couple of these birds across the river.
And they were responding.
They responded
A little
several
bit,
times.
yeah.
But I don't think they were really wanting to commit to coming across the river, which is fine. But we're gonna head back towards my grandmother's and see if we can strike a bird up on the way back. And possibly if there's a bird at my grandma's, then we may
Shoot it.
we may shoot it. We'll see.
We may shoot it.
So I just got set up out here, and as you can see, there's already a bird in the field. Hopefully that means that there will be a tom or two that comes out here at some point. She's pretty far away, probably about 100 yards. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Look at her dusting. That's pretty cool. Like I was saying, one bird in a field. I'm tucked up in here in some pretty thick brush with a big cedar. Well, not a big cedar tree, but a smaller cedar tree right here beside me. I'm in here pretty good. I don't think they'll be able to see me the best. Obviously, that hen there didn't. So hopefully we can get it done. She seems to want to stay on the far side. She may, when I walked in here, the hen spooked off the field and ran into the woods. So that could be her. And then she just wanted to get back in the field. I've just been here for a few minutes now. And she came right back. So looks like she's headed this way. So I don't know. Hopefully a couple birds will come this way. Yep, just killed me a jake, boys. Just killed me a jake. He's young, probably a year-old bird. Hope the camera can see me over here. He's not too big of a bird. He's pretty small. He's just a jake. Literally just called this bird in. I think it was a hen that I heard off behind me, and then I saw this. I heard something kind of walking, and then this jake popped out. Kind of looking around in the field, and I looked, and there was two of them. Then I kind of looked over, and there was another one, and then there's one right now walking through the woods right here, kind of looking like, what the crap was that? But yeah, I was calling. Well, there was a hen out here, and I was calling her, see if I could just get her closer. And I picked up my hollerback game call, slate call. That thing is super nice, and I really kind of yammed down on it pretty loud. And a hen called behind me. I think it was a hen. I'm pretty sure it was a hen. Called behind me, right when I called. Well, I called a couple more times and set it down. And I guess about 8 minutes later or so, this bird right here walked out. This one and a couple more. So, that's a good hunt. That's a pretty good hunt. He ain't got no spurs. He's probably a 2-year-old bird, maybe.